Let this be a symbol of the beautiful, the faithful love you have for each other. Through the passing of the years, let the bell remind you that you belong to each other, and I repeat again, that you belong to each other, and another again, that you belong to each other and to no one else. Now, I invite the sponsor of the court, please. Have the music. This cord symbolizes an infinite bond of love you share that keeps your love